Hi, this is Matt Yetter with Sherlock Home Inspections. Phone number is 971-212-7481. Website address is yourinspectionneeds.com. Today's date is Tuesday, September 25th, 2018. The address we're inspecting today is 22831 Southwest Forest Creek Drive, Sherwood, Oregon, 97140. We are about to perform a video inspection of the property's main sewer line through the side yard exterior cleanout. The equipment being used today is the ViewTech self-leveling HD color video inspection camera. It is one of the best cameras on the market today. Before we begin this video inspection, it is to be noted that some aged sewer pipes made out of clay, concrete, cast iron, asbestos, and Orangeburg may be in good working order. They may never have had a clogged or sewer backup before. However, due to real estate transactions, attorneys, and lawsuits, Sherlock Home Inspections must recommend the following to meet the current codes. All sewer pipes should be watertight, made out of cast iron ABS, 3034 or HDPE pipe with all appropriate fittings and couplers. All sewer pipes should be free from breaks, offsets, separations, tree roots, bellies, and party sewers. Sherlock Home Inspections recommends replacing any sewer pipe that does not meet these specifications. Here we go. So right off the bat, right from the get-go, we are seeing a little bit of standing water in this pipe. So we have a bit of a marginal pitch upon entering the cleanout. We'll say water belly. And then we pull out of it. So there is a bit of a water belly to start the sewer scope, and then it appears that the pitch in the pipe picks back up and things then start draining normally or properly. So because of the 2-foot water belly, we would highly recommend performing a sewer scope every 3 to 5 years, something like that, to monitor. And what we're looking for is any more significant areas of standing water next time. Again, after the clean out, the pitch does pick up in the pipe. As we pull out of this dive, we're seeing a little bit more standing water. It is a little tricky for the drain technicians to keep a pitch in the pipe as they're pulling out of a straight down dive. It does look like we have a pretty large offset in the bottom of the pipe. You can actually see the bottom section of the piping. We were able to jump the offset and keep on going, but there's certainly a couple of things here that we would highly recommend monitoring. And here we're going to make the city lateral pipe. This will be the end officially of buyer-owner responsibility here, right around 48 feet. We're going to turn off the microphone. We're going to backtrack and look at that offset again. We were able to jump up over the top of it, but pretty rough connection there between the two sections of piping. So I'm going to turn off the microphone while we backtrack and look at that section again.